Step 2. Optimizing the image. 2D mode. Basic optimizing. On the control area, you can select imaging mode and adjust image parameters. For example, to change the gain, tap the arrow or swipe. Depth, focus, DR are changeable with same way. If you tap or swipe the page indicator, you will find more parameters. Here are virtual convex and center line as well. On the bottom, there are Xpeed, TGC slide, initial, clear, clipboard, virtual keyboard icons. Xpeed is auto image optimizing feature. To adjust TGC, tap the button and draw a line. Next TGC slide, it is an initial button. If you tap this, preset initialized. Clear icon. Once you tap this icon, measurements and annotations are removed. Clipboard. Review stored images. Virtual keyboard. Dual imaging. To use dual imaging, tap the dual image icon. The image is shown on the left of the display. Tap the dual image icon again to activate the second image. Tap 2D to exit the dual imaging. Optimization allows you to change center frequency to obtain increased resolution or penetration. CF mode. Locate ROI box by dragging. To resize the ROI, tap the yellow line, then it changes to resizable dotted line. Adjust the size, then tap again to fix it. To adjust velocity scale, adjust PRF control box. In CF mode, gain is color gain, not a 2D. More image parameters are on the control area. Pulsed wave mode. Locate the sample volume. Depends on application. Adjust sample volume and angle correction. Then tap PW again. Doppler spectrum appears. Xpeed is auto-optimizing feature. You can easily optimize velocity scale. To adjust sweep speed, change the control page and tap the button. And if you activate auto calculation, the calculation peak systole and diastole result will appear automatically. This is for primary check. To report the result, we recommend to use semi-auto trace in measurement. Power Doppler mode. Tap the PD button. Move the ROI box and adjust size by tapping the outline. On the control area, you can adjust gain. If you want to use DPDI, change the color map to 8 or 9. M mode. Tap the M button. Drag M line and tap the M mode again. You can adjust sweep speed.